All right, I have another tutorial where I show you how to pull in dates using the filter function. In this example, I want to show you how to pull in specific names into their own individual cell, which then can be imported into their scorecards. Now, I'll show you the import range and the scorecards in another tutorial. This one, I'm simply going to show you how to separate those. And at the end, I'll show you how to pull all the managers' team members into their own sheet as well. So we'll start from the beginning. We will click the little plus on the bottom left to create a new sheet where we want the information to be pulled to. The tab that I'm pulling it from is this formulable data tab. So first thing we're going to do is copy our entire header, go back to our new sheet. We will right click in cell A1, paste special, values only. I want mine to be bold. I'll highlight it blue with white text. So this one should have no formulas. It has everything from A to Z that I want carried over. And we are going to enter our formula beginning in cell A2. So the formula that we're going to use is the filter function. So we will put equals filter. You can click here. It will open your parenthesis for you. You will open one quote, and then you'll enter the name of your sheet where you want the data to come from. So mine is formulable space data, close your one quote, and add an exclamation point. So my tab is right here, formulable data. That's where I want it to pull all of my information. And I just showed you guys, I want it to pull everything from A all the way to AZ. So get back to our formula here. So after the exclamation point, we will put A colon AZ because we want it to pull everything from that entire, from those columns. Next, you'll add a comma, open one single quote, and you'll put the name of your sheet again because you're pulling everything from A to Z, the same exact spreadsheet, formulable data, close your quote, close your exclamation. And I want to pull over just the specific agent's QA observation. So the agent name appears in column E. So we will say after that exclamation, everything from E all the way down the entire column. If the name is Brianna Hagel, we want everything to come over to this form that was observed on her. So E to E is the column where Brianna Hagel's name will appear. So E colon E. Then we will put equals, open a quotation, and we'll put in the name of our agent. So I have Brianna Hagel. We will close our quotation and then close our parenthesis to complete the formula. Press enter. And now every single observation completed for Brianna Hagel has carried over to this sheet all the way to A to Z so she can see all of her information and course correct as quickly as possible. Now, if you want to pull over the manager's information, so we're looking and the manager has an entire team of people, you want them to be able to see only their team because maybe you have 8 managers that work for you. Really simple. It's actually going to be the exact same formula. So I've already created a sheet. I already added my header. And in cell A2, same exact thing. Equals, filter, open your parenthesis, open your quote, reference your table, still pulling from formulable data, still want everything from A to Z, comma, open your quote, reference your sheet again, formulable data, close your quote, exclamation, except this time instead of E to E for the agent, we're pulling AZ to AZ, which is where your manager name shows Jessica Cooper. Press enter, and that's it. Now your entire team of data will display for your manager.